Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to find the next day that the user is going to have. So let's get started. First, we are going to make some user input, and that user input is going to be called user day. And we're going to make this user input equal to input enter your day, colon space. So instead of doing int input, we put input. And I'm going to tell you why we did that right now. So why we put input was because the names of days are in words, not numbers. So the user has to enter some letters in there. So if we put it as int input, then it's going to make an error after he enters it. Because if he enters words, it won't allow it to enter words because int input makes it them only entering an integer. So yeah, that's why we put it input. So then we're going to make two new lines, and we're going to make some if statements about this day, user day. So we're going to do if user day is equal to Sunday. It's going to print the next day it will be so yeah, we're going to do the next day it will be Monday. And after we put user day on this if statement, we have to put dot lower. And since dot lower is a function, we need to put the parentheses after it. But don't put anything inside the parentheses. And I'll tell you why we need to put dot lower. So why we put dot lower was because we want to make the user put anything capital. So he can put nothing capital or anything capital, and it's still going to work. So that's why we put dot lower. Because like if they mess around and like do the U capital when the S is not capital, or like everything capital, we want to still let it do this. So we're going to put dot lower and then parentheses. And we're going to make an elif statement, basically an if statement. And then we're going to do this, basically the same thing. User day dot lower, parentheses, which is equal to Monday this time, because that's the next day after Sunday. So it's going to print the next day it will be Tuesday. So elif user day dot lower is going to be equal to Tuesday. So yeah, guys, basically I'm going to be doing all this, and I'm going to skip through this video. So I'm just going to finish this stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm back with all the if statements done. So let me just make it a little more clear. So yeah, let me explain to you what these if statements do. So if user day dot lower is equal to Sunday. So it's seeing if the user entered Sunday in any way, like all lowercase, all capital, or like any way. And then if he did that, then it's gonna say the next day will be Monday, and basically the same thing. And I went in the order of the actual days because I didn't want to get like confused on which day and which day is not which day. So yeah. And then basically the same thing, but the Sunday changed to Monday. And then basically the same thing on this one, but the Monday changed to Tuesday. And then this one. So this one changed to Monday, and this one changed to Tuesday. This one changed to Tuesday, and this one changed to Wednesday. And yeah, basically the same thing. So everything is the same with all of these except the equal and then the string, and then also the equal, and also the last word of the printing function. So yeah, so let's run this and see what happens. Run it. it says enter your day. So if you enter Saturday, it's going to say nothing. Well, it's doing this because we have to put the dot lower right here also. So yeah, oh, sorry about that. But you have to put the dot lowers at the end also. And when you run this, it should go fine. Saturday. And it says the next day will be Sunday. And if you enter Monday, the next day will be Tuesday. So yeah, guys, that was the end of the video. But I'm just going to show you one more thing. If you want it to look more neat, you can just do \n on all of these. So yeah, let me show you the difference. And like what the difference is. Okay, so it says enter your day. If you do Saturday, it's going to say a new line, and then another new line, and then on the second new line, it's going to say the next day it will be Sunday. So that's the difference. So that looks a little neater because there's new lines, so they can read it a little better, the user. So that's why we put that. So yeah, guys, that was the end of the video. So if you like this video, make sure to click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Bye.